Hi everyone! Let's see how to make negative sentences and questions with the past simple today. Let's go. Let's look at negative sentences first. First, we need a subject. Then we need to add did not or didn't for short, and then the base verb. The base verb does not change tense. It's always in the infinitive, but without to. So the only verb which is in the past tense here is our helping verb, did. The main verb, the base verb, does not go in the past tense. Let's see some examples. I didn't watch TV yesterday. She didn't go to the party. They didn't eat pizza last night. Be careful, I've seen many of my students do this in the past. They sometimes put the base verb in the past tense also. For example, I didn't went. This is wrong. You must only use did in the past tense. He didn't play football yesterday. He didn't work last weekend. We didn't study English last night. Next, let's see how to make questions. First, we need our helping verb, did, in the past tense. Next, we add the subject, then the base verb, and then finally some object, and don't forget the question mark. So remember here, the answer to questions with did is always the same. Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Okay, let's see some examples. Did she go to the party? Did they eat pizza last night? Did you study English yesterday? Did they work on Saturday? We can also ask questions in the negative. For example, didn't you go to school yesterday? This is to either check information you thought you knew or expressing some kind of surprise. Didn't he play football last Sunday? Didn't she call you last night? Well done, everyone. Leave your negative sentences and questions in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.